Okay, see, this is what I wanted to show is how low this back end is. Look at this. Okay, my hand's arm at full thing, and there's the bottom of this T-Bird here. And there's my Honda right next to it for comparison. See, look how low that is. And for some people, there's the Jag. I don't know what's going on with it. I'll ask Joe about it. It sure as heck isn't in the good shape that that T-Bird is in. Look at that beauty. Woo-wee! That is a beautiful car. Take a nice long look at this T-Bird. A long, low look. It's low, 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 low. Meanwhile, Joe's hanging around here waiting for the power company to come and fix his power. While I was waiting, I told him my damn heater wasn't working. So he went out back and ripped this beauty, this whole unit, out of a wrecked car and slammed it in here. So now I've got heat, air conditioning, a clock that works, and I'm just heating this baby up. That thing, I'd replaced it once before it went bad, and all I had was heat when it was hot and AC when it was cold. I'm just telling everybody about what a wonderful mechanic you are. Here at American Auto, playing around.